Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As I said in the previous video, I am going to tell you what is main.html file and what is script tag, also how to call the external file and how to print the output using console. So let's jump into that. So go to your workspace and create one folder there. I'm creating folder. So folder name is POC 1.0. So I now I created. Then double click this and type cmd, enter. Then you will get this terminal. Here type code and give space, then type dot, then enter. Then you will redirect into VS Code. So now we got this VS Code. This is our folder which we created. So here I'm going to create the files. So I'm creating main dot. So after entering dot, whatever the characters you are entering, based on that, your file can be defined. So now I'm entering HTML character, these letters. So because of this, this folder can be defined as HTML folder. And here, this is the symbol to represent that. Click enter and I'm creating one more file, um, app.js. So because of that JS, we got this symbol and it is representing JS file. And one more file, style.css. So these are the three files I have created for my application. This is the main.html file. Whatever the code we are writing, we will write here. So this is the doc type. This tag will define the document. So this document is HTML document. And now I am using basic HTML tags for writing a basic HTML document. Now I'm giving head tag. After that, I'm giving body tag. So head tag, in this head tag, I'm calling the JavaScript files using the script tag. The script tag is used for only to call the JavaScript files. So that is the purpose of the script tag. Okay. Now I'm calling here. Before calling, I am giving the type of the script tag. So this is text or JavaScript, and then I'm calling using src. So give the dot and slash. So because of path intelligence, you got all these files. So select JS file. So I selected. Now I am calling the JS file here using the script tag. Okay. And now I am calling CSS file using the link tag. Okay. Here I am doing this. This is the style sheet, right? So also one more thing is we are going to call this using href. Click dot and slash. So here you got all these files. Select CSS file. Close this. Okay. So now we'll write the body. So I'm writing h1 tag. Here I'm giving the title. Welcome to JS. Okay. Here I'm creating class. Class name is title. And then after HTML h1 tag, I'm creating one button. Button name is click. Okay. But the button also I have to do one class. Show you how CSS will work. So button class is button only. Okay. I'm giving like that. So now one more thing is here we have to um, uh, call one event. Okay. So I'm calling one event. Event name is on click. So for this event, I am creating one method or function. Okay. The method name is button. Don't confuse. Okay. So this button method is executing from the JS file. Okay. I will write that. Go to JS file here, write function. button. This is how to write the function in the JavaScript. So I'm writing console dot log. Okay. In this I'm printing output JS. Okay. I'm saving the file. So now we have the class title. I will write that also, giving the color. Then and I have one more class that is button. I'm giving the color blue. So so all these three files I have created and I have implemented the code for this application, for this simple application. So I will run this. Here we have the option go live. If we click here, we can get into browser and we can see the output. Also, if you right click and there is a one option open with live server. You can click this also. You can redirect into browser. So this is the browser. So this is the stylings we have given in the style CSS file, style.css file, and inspect. So here go to console, click the this button. So we got this. This is the output we have written in the JavaScript code. Okay, this is how we have to achieve whatever the things I have told you. I explained you the script tag, how to call the external file, and how to print the um, output. Okay, the next video I will tell you how this main.html file will execute. Thank you.